Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. For today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to count by tens from 10 to 100 in Nihongo. But before that, let me give you an overview of the past lesson, which is counting numbers in Nihongo from 1 to 10. Let's have a short review. Please follow after me. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, or shichi, hachi, kyuu, ju. Let's do it again. Please follow after me. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, shichi, hachi, kyuu, ju. It's so important for you to master counting from 1 to 10 because counting number by tens needs a mastery of counting numbers 1 to 10. So let's start counting numbers by tens. We already know that number 10 is ju. So how are we going to say 20 in Nihongo? 2 in Nihongo is ni and 10 is ju. So we will put them together to have 20. Ni ju. Ni ju. 30 is san and ju to make it sang ju. Sang ju. 40. 4 is yong and ju to make it yong ju. Yong ju. For 50, let's just mix 5 go and ju to make it go ju. Go ju. Let's count again 10 until 50 by tens. Please repeat after me. Ju. Ju. Ni ju. Ni ju. Sang ju. Sang ju. Yong ju. Yong ju. Go ju. Go ju. Next is we have to count from 60 to 100 by tens. 6 is roku and add ju to make it lok ju. 60 is lok ju. 7 is nana or shichi and we will just add ju to make it 70, which is nana ju or shichi ju. For 80, we just have to say hachi for 8 and add 10, which is ju. So 80 is hachi ju. Hachi ju. 90 is we need to say kyuu for 9 and for 10 is ju to make it kyuu ju. Kyuu ju. And for 100 is hyaku. Hyaku. Let's count one more time from 60 to 100 by tens. Please repeat after me. Look ju. Look ju. Nana ju. Nana ju. Hachi ju. Hachi ju. kyuu, kyuu, hyaku, hyaku. Let's count again one more time from 60 to 100 by tens. This time, let's make it faster. Roku, nana, hachi, kyuu, hyaku. This time, let's count from 10 to 100 by tens. Ju, ni ju, sang ju, yong ju, go ju, lok ju, nana ju, hachi ju, kyuu ju, hyaku. One more time. This time, let's make it faster. Ju, ni ju, sang ju, yong ju, go ju, lok ju, nana ju, hachi ju, kyuu ju, hyaku. This time, let's count without reading from 10 to 100 by tens. Ju, ni ju, sang ju, yong ju, go ju, lok ju, nana ju, hachi ju, kyuu ju, hyaku. Okay, this time read by yourself. I'll give you 3 seconds before I'll state the number. Ju, ni ju, sang ju, yong ju, go ju, lok ju, nana ju, hachi ju, kyuu ju, hyaku. Very good. This time, I'll give you a random number. I'll give you 3 seconds to state the number in Nihongo. Hachi ju. Next. Sang ju. Next. Go ju. Next. Kyuu ju. Next. Ni ju. Next. Nana ju. Next. Ju. Next. Lok ju. Next. Hyaku. Next. Yongju. This time, let's do it again. I'll give you 3 seconds to state the number. Ju. Ni ju. Sang ju. Yong ju. Go ju. Lokju, nanaju, hachiju, kyūju, hyaku. That was very good. Let's do it faster. Let's read the number together. Please follow this red pointer. Ju, niju, sangju, yongju, goju, lokju, nanaju, hachiju, kyūju, hyaku. Well said. I hope by this time you already know how to count number by tens from 10 to 100. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that you'll be updated with my new videos. Also, if you like this video, share and give it a thumbs up. Until my next tutorial video, God bless and thanks again for watching. Bye!